We're going to be making some spring rolls today. That's all the ingredients. We've got the rice paper, some boiled pork. We use pork belly. This is the vegetables. We add pineapple to ours. This is the rice vermicelli noodles, hoisin sauce with sriracha, and fish sauce. Okay, to wrap, we're starting off with lettuce. Oops, let's get some. Cucumbers, mince, layer some meat on top. And then add some noodles on top of that. Cilantro. And some pineapple. Fold up, get it tight, and then fold in the two sides. Make sure you tuck everything in nicely. Continue tucking as you roll, and that's how you get a spring roll.